Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS brakes. This naked super sport just arrived with only 6,300 miles. Wait till you hear the awesome exhaust system on this bike. It's got the bar end mirrors, super sleek look, fender illuminator, brand new tires front and rear. Come on by and make your inline 4-cylinder dreams come true with this awesome Z900. Only $74.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.